Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I thought I would give y'all a different background to look at today. I'm still here in my makeup room, but thought I would switch it up a little bit. But today is such a good day. My computer finally came and I am so dang excited. So I'm going to do an unboxing to show it to y'all, and then once I get it all set up, I will show you again. And I also got a package from Target. Very excited about this as well, so I'll show y'all those in a minute. And then I'm also going to be decorating with all those decorations I got yesterday. And I can't wait. I'm really excited now that I've found stuff and kind of have an idea of what I'm doing. And then I went ahead last night and put the wreaths up on the bed, and then I put that red ornament garland above the bed, and I did not like it at all, and I was very upset because I was so excited about it. And once I got it up there, like maybe if I kind of moved it around, but didn't like it. And I almost bought another garland at Hobby Lobby yesterday, and I didn't, and I was so upset. But my sweet husband had to go to Chattanooga today, and he stopped by and got it for me, and I am so glad because y'all, it looks so good. It looks good. So I will also show y'all that in a minute. But I am dying to open my computer because I've been waiting because I wanted to do it here on camera. So I want to do that first. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and show you the Target because that will be a lot easier than this big huge box. If you follow me on Instagram, these might look familiar because I did a poll asking if I should get them. I got them. Leopard print boots. So I have a ton of leopard booties, but I do not have any to the knee leopard boots. I say to the knee because I do have a pair of over the knee leopard boots that are Jessica Simpson. But honestly, I love Jessica Simpson and I love those boots, but they are not comfortable at all. Whenever I went to meet her back in February, was that this year? I can't remember if I think it was this year. I will link that vlog down below in the description bar if y'all want to check it out. It was when her book came out. So yeah, I guess it was this year. It's so hard for me to remember this year because it's been so crazy. But anyways, I wore them for that. But that probably wasn't my smartest decision because I had to wait in line for an hour before they started letting people in. And then I think it was another hour before I finally got to see her. So I was just standing around outside in the cold outside Books A Million in Mount Juliet. So probably wasn't my best decision, but I had to wear her boots to meet her. But anyways, I wanted to get these because I have these in like a tan color, or I guess it's more of like a cognac color, and they are really comfortable and I just love these so much. I'll get up closer so y'all can kind of see. Okay, so here is the other color that I have. Yeah, I guess it's more of a cognac color. So I love this. I think it's so pretty and it goes with so much. And yeah, I've already worn these several times. And now I can't wait to wear these. Now that I've shown y'all, I need to get on my Instagram, even though Instagram will see it first. Because I am so bad about doing stories during Vlogmas. Because number one, I can't ever remember what all I have shown. And I just always try and film everything so I have enough footage for Vlogmas. And a lot of times I slack on my Instagram. But I've been trying hard not to. So I need to show those boots. If you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me there because you'll get to see sneak peeks of Vlogmas hopefully, but I always do like my polls on what people want to see here on YouTube, on Instagram, because I'm not able to do that here on YouTube yet. Hopefully when I reach 1,000 subscribers I will be able to do that, but I'm not sure if that's when I can do it or if I have to have more subscribers. I don't know. Fingers crossed it's 1,000, and fingers crossed I get to 1,000 soon. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because that will mean the world to me. Okay, now let's open my computer because I'm so excited. Look at this. You do not even know how excited I am. That is heavy. Maybe this should be my thumbnail. Okay. Oh. I had a little tab. Sorry, I gotta boomerang this too. Oh, look at it. Y'all, this screen is huge and I love it. I will definitely be able to see. Oh, look how pretty and sleek it is. Oh my gosh, y'all. This keyboard is so thin. Look at that. Okay, now I'm going to set it all up. And I will show y'all once I get it plugged in, set up, and everything. Okay, so I thought I would go ahead and decorate the piano because I'm excited to see what it looks like, and just in case I need anything else. But I think this will be okay for now at least. And then after I clean my desk up a little bit more, I will show y'all my computer all set up and everything. I have been using it. I used it to edit today's vlog, but I still used iMovie today because I was in a hurry and wanted to go ahead and get it up. But I'm going to try and play around with it. Well, no, I can't tomorrow because I'm going on a road trip with my husband. But we're leaving at like 3 o'clock in the morning, I think. So I'm going to stay up all night because it's just easier for me to just stay up that early than to wake up that early. So I might play around with it tonight. But first, let's get to decorating. Okay, I went ahead and took my shower. That's why my hair's wet and I don't have any makeup on. But I just finished and I love it. I'm so excited. I think I want to get a few more little trees to kind of put in the front here. But I'm going to take y'all up closer so you can see it. I'm so excited. I love it. I absolutely love it. So I did have that white tree right there and I loved how that looked, but when I had that over there I didn't like how that looked because that tree and that tree are the same size. So I want to get maybe another tree that size and maybe a few mini trees or something to put here, but so far I am loving it. Okay, I wanted to show y'all the bed really quick. I love how it turned out. So our headboard is actually 2 doors from our wedding. My husband put 2 old doors together and put a frame around it, and we had it as like a backdrop, and then he turned it into our headboard, and I absolutely love it. And he put plugs in on both sides. It has a normal plug and then 2 USB plugs. And then here's the wreaths that I got at Hobby Lobby. And then here's the garland that my husband picked up for me today at Hobby Lobby that I saw yesterday. And I'm so glad that he stopped and got it for me because it looks so good. I'm so excited about this. I love it. So I finally got this tree decorated, so it'll be a little prettier when I end my vlogs, but I'm still not crazy about it. I don't know, I really want just a completely different tree, but I'll probably just keep this one for now. And I don't know, I want some type of filler because it's so sparse, but I want pink, and I didn't see any pink ones at Hobby Lobby, so I feel like my only option is ribbon, and I don't know, I'm just not good at ribbon. Maybe I can find, I don't know, I think I'm kind of over it at this point because I've already spent quite a bit on decorations, so I really don't need to be buying anything else. So it'll probably just stay like this, but anyways, that is going to be it for today's vlog. I really hope that y'all enjoyed seeing me finally decorate the piano, finally decorate this tree, and see my new computer. I am so excited. So once I get the desk cleaned off, I will show y'all how I got it set up and everything, but right now it is still a disaster over there, so I want to clean up a little bit. So I'll probably do that now. Actually, I really need to edit the vlog that goes up tomorrow since I'll be gone all day. And I think my computer memory is full already, and I just got rid of a whole bunch of stuff, so I don't know what the deal is. So I might just go ahead and have that done because it will probably be really late by when we get home. We're going to Illinois for my husband to get a new truck, and I think it's almost 8 hours, 7-8 hours, and we're gonna drive down there and then just drive right back. So it's probably gonna be late when we get back, and I don't want it to be another 10 o'clock upload, so I want to hurry up and get that done. And then if I have time, I might go ahead and clean because this is giving me anxiety because it's so messy. But that's gonna be it for day 5. No, day 6. I don't know what day it is, but that's gonna be the end of whatever Vlogmas day this is. I really hope that y'all enjoyed my computer unboxing and seeing me finally decorate my piano and use all those decorations I got. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of Vlogmas. But that is it for today. I will see y'all tomorrow.